In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly upload an Excel file to Google Drive and convert it into a Google Sheets document. This process is particularly handy when you want to access your Excel files on various devices without the hassle of specific software installations. Let's dive right in and make your digital life a little easier. To start, we'll head over to Google Drive. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. You'll need to be logged into your Google account to proceed. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your drive. Once you're in Google Drive, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to creating and uploading files within Drive. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll notice a few options. For our purpose today, we're going to choose File Upload. Selecting this will open a File Explorer window, which allows you to browse your computer for the Excel file you'd like to upload. Now you'll want to navigate to the specific folder where your Excel file is stored. Once you've located it, click on the file to select it and then click Open. This action prompts Google Drive to begin uploading your file. Depending on the size of your file and your internet speed, this may take a moment, so feel free to take a quick stretch. After the upload is complete, you'll see your Excel file appear in your Google Drive. At this point, it's time to open it. Simply double-click on the file, and Google Drive will work its magic by redirecting you to a new tab where the file now appears as a Google Sheets document. This conversion from Excel to Google Sheets is seamless and requires no additional input from you. Once the file is open as a Google Sheet, notice the menu bar along the top of your screen. Go to the upper left part of that menu and find File. Clicking on it reveals another drop-down menu. Here you'll want to locate the option that says Save as Google Sheets. Selecting this option ensures that your file is now fully integrated into the Google ecosystem as a Sheets document. This makes it easier to share with collaborators, and you can enjoy all the functionalities that Google Sheets offers. There you have it. With that final step, you've successfully uploaded an Excel file to Google Drive and converted it into a Google Sheets document. You can now access this file from any device with internet access and continue collaborating in real time with colleagues or friends. This process not only saves space, but also enhances your productivity by offering a truly seamless way to handle spreadsheets. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your work processes. Feel free to explore more features and take full advantage of what Google Drive and Sheets have to offer. Happy organizing! Wolfias.